Check it out! Woohoo! Hey! Welcome to the Gacha Life. We are back to the bubbles and tea, and today we're going to collect the coin. Since last time, it has been 24 days. We haven't collected the tokens. Let's get in and check it out. Welcome to Bubbles and Tea, and I have total of 23 machines in this store, and this store is in Maryland, Rockville. If you have time, come here and check my machine. I basically rotate the Gashapon toys every month, and also collect the money almost every 25 days, or when the machine has some problem and I have to fix it. But since I do this business, it only happened once. Let's collect the coin. Okay, first one, battleship. This is really cool. My key. Battleship. Let's go. How many in there? Ta-da! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 coins! Yay! Okay, next one is 3. Whoa, that's a lot. I like it. Next one, Demon Slayer. Demon Slayer usually making a good sale. Oh, come on, it's stuck again. Okay, what? 2 tokens? Oh man. But hey guys, 2 tokens is $6. For my profit is more than $3. I think this is way better than you put the candy machine or vending machine in the location. And I keep saying that because if you wanna doing business, you need to think about your profit, okay? Because I know if you selling food or candy or drink, maybe you can make more sales, but your profit won't be like that high. In Japanese vending machine, if you wanna do this business, you can simply search online. You can buy the machine online, you can buy the capsule toys online, but again, be honest, when we purchase those kind of things online, you have the trustworthy issue, because you never know what's going on online. Maybe they scam, maybe they just lie about the price, so you never know. If you have trustworthy issue, maybe I can help you. I have my team in China, Taiwan, and Japan. Because my main job, I'm an Amazon seller, so I have a lot of shipment from outside of the country. So if you want to do this, just email me, ask me about any questions, because it's free to ask. But of course, you can also those machine or capsule on the website if you already know them. But again, you can check my price and their price. Maybe mine's better. So why not? Because you know, where am I? I'm selling those capsule toys at a convention, and I have store over there. So you can totally 100% trust me, right? And of course, if you wanna find in anything, or you wanna customize something, you also can ask me too, because my my products on Amazon, 99% are customized, and I sell a lot of sporting goods, even souvenirs. When I have those experience, maybe then I can help you too. But you have to make sure we are doing this is for the wholesales. You cannot just come here, you wanna buy something like a 10 units, 15 units, that way it's not gonna work. Anyways, just email me. Let's go back to the machine. Light up kitty cat. This one, remember I sell a lot. Ooh, check this out. Ching 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 ching. Money, money, money. Next one, Genshin. Genshin has been selling pretty good at the convention. Let's check out the store. Not bad, woohoo! Those are really good. If you can find anything related to Genshin, I think you can make good sales anywhere. This one about 6 coin. That's meaning $18. Cute animal plushies. Whoop, nope, it's only 4 tokens. Okay, next one, check this out. There's some coin in there. 6 coin, I'll take it. $18 a pin. Pretty bunnies. Whoa, it's good. It's good. It's good. Okay, let's check the last one. Sushi keychain. This is 1 token. $3. Whoa, that's some coin there. Not bad. I think we check all of the machine already. And then we're going to check the best part for our token exchange machine. Is that we're going to have a lot of cash. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Chang chang. Money, 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 money. Guys, for this kind of passive income, I'll take it, because I literally doing nothing. Just put a machine in here, and my friend, the bubble tea shop owner, their employee gonna help us to run this business. They just do the troubleshoots, and that's it. Let's count the tokens. This collecting day is from December 21st, 2022 to January 13th, 2023. So it's 24 days. I collect 314 tokens. So 314 times 3 equal $942. And I use $3 each per capsule toys. So my final profit gonna be $471. So 24 days, $471 passive income. You really just do nothing. I think this is really good for me. What do you guys think? Okay, the end. If you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe my channel so you won't miss any my video in the future. And if you have any question, leave comment below, or you can just email me. Okay, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.